Very much part of the DNA and culture of Hasl is creating environments that people love to come home to, that wow people when they come home, that inspire you when you walk in the door, and a sanctuary, basically a place you can come home, relax and feel very much a part of who you are. At Hasl we transform the past into the present and make a house into a home. It's a very personal theme. We work together with the people and go on a journey of discovery and finding out exactly what they want. We love seeing people in their homes at the end of the result where they are flourishing in their homes. They love it, they are inspired, they're enthused to be there. Just creating those beautiful living spaces for people is really what separates Hasl from other companies. Welcome to Heart and Soul Living.